Okay guys, so this is going to be part 2 of the video because I'm going to be flying my other drone, and this one I'm more used to it, and I'm not using the QX7 Terminus, so I'm a lot more used to the other controller, which is the Flysky FS I6. So you will see the difference in the skills and the way I fly. I'm a lot more comfortable. So yeah, roll the clip. I was just flying. I call him Frankenstein because it's made out of plenty of different parts from different places. So the props, they are Walkera Ladybirds. The motors, I bought them off eBay. I bought like 20 of them for like 20 bucks. They're super cheap but super efficient. The flight controller is, I bought it from Banggood. It's like 13 bucks. The receiver on top, like 8 bucks. Flysky, this one, the all-in-one camera, I bought it off eBay, I think, for like 15 bucks. As you can see here, I have two type of connectors. That's because I run two different batteries. I have these beta FPVs. I was just flying on the beta FPVs because it gives a tremendous amount of punch. It's crazy. The only downside though is they don't last long. And I have these 380 milliamp. These you will have like a longer flight time, but it's not gonna punch as much as with these. So I like to fly with these a lot. I have a bunch of them. They don't take long to charge, and with this thing, with the weight it weighs, it's crazy. Let me weigh it for you real quick. Okay, got the scale up here. I think the battery is low. I'm gonna have to do it quick. 0. Okay, 35 gram. with the battery, 41 grams. Yeah, it's not the lightest, but it does the job very well.